Hi folks. In our final video for chapter 13, there's one more thing we need to cover. And I'd like to have nice visual things for you, but I have a cat who has joined and I don't move a cat. So I'm just gonna have to do this orally and then maybe see if I can edit later to add examples onto the screen. Stay tuned for if that worked. So on page 150 of Jeremy Duff, Elements of New Testament Greek, 3rd edition, we'll find the word one, which is heis mia hen, and if you watch the pass a pan video that preceded this one, you'll know everything you need to know about heis mia hen, because just like pass a pan, which means all or every, is a 313 declension adjective. In other words, it's a 3rd declension for the masculine, a 1st declension for the feminine, and a 3rd declension again for the neuter. Take a look at page 150 in your book for heis mia hen. So heis, I guess the word one is kind of like an adjective, like one cat, one teacup. So just pretend it's an adjective. Heis is the masculine way to say one in the nominative. Mia is how you say it in the feminine in the nominative. And hen is how you say it in the neuter in the nominative. Thus I call it heis mia hen. And you can see how it declines, noting that it's only a small chart because it doesn't have a plural. Why doesn't it have a plural? Well, because it's the word one. So how can there be a plural of the literal ultimate singular word? So right underneath heis mia hen, you'll find another little chart that says ουδεις and mηδis. I'm going to read it to you. Both ουδεις and mηδis mean no one or nothing. So just like the previous page had pass a pan, which meant all or every, ουδεις and mηδis are the contrasting words that mean nothing or no one. Ουδεις is used whenever the other negation we've learned, or uki, would be used. So basically only one mood, the indicative. So every time you want to say something in the negative, in the indicative mood, which is our normal mood, we use or ook or uki. And if we want to say nobody or nothing, that starts with as well, ουδεις. But any time may would be used, which remember when we learned the other moods, all of the other 4 moods that are not indicative, they use may for their negation. Well, same with nothing and no one. Mηδis is the way you say nobody or nothing in the other moods besides indicative. So mηδis is used whenever may would be used. So these guys are declined the same way as heis mia hen. In fact, it's the exact same chart. Looking at the word one in the masculine, heis, it goes heis, henna, henos, heni. So nominative, accusative, genitive, dative. Heis, henna, henos, heni. Well, look at ουδεις. Ουδεις, ουδena, udenos, udeni. Sound familiar? So ουδεις declines exactly like heis, except and so does mηδis. Mηδis, mηδena, mηdenos, mηdeni. These also have no plural. It's just the singular chart you have to learn for these, because there's not really a plural of no one. It literally means not one. Note, in Greek, and this is important, for the meaning when you end up translating. A sentence is either negative or not. So either the whole sentence is negative or the whole sentence is positive. If it is negative, so if it has a word like oo or may or ουδεις or μηδεις or any of their declensions, then everything else that's suitable in the sentence to decline will also be in the negative. So in Greek, two negatives make a negative. Not so in English, as you know. In English, two negatives make a positive. For example, if I said to you, I am not going to not give you a test tomorrow, you'd be like, you're going to give us a test tomorrow. Or if I said, I do not see nothing, you would be like, wait a minute, she sees something. But in Greek, they would actually say, I do not see nothing. They would both be in the negative, because once a Greek sentence goes into the negative, everything that can be made negative is negative. So that's something to remember about that. That's all I'm going to say in this video. I need you to go to page 150 of Elements of New Testament Greek in chapter 13, because ουδεις and μηδεις are the last thing that we haven't talked about in these videos. And at the top there, you also have to look at heis mia hen, which is the word for one. You do not have a test tomorrow.